Before we dive in, check out our exclusive ebooks, crafted to help you go deeper into today's topic. Download your copy now, link below. Gratitude is the invisible force that turns ordinary moments into miracles, a frequency so powerful that it can transform your reality faster than any other manifestation tool. Because gratitude is the vibration of abundance. When you live in gratitude, you are saying to the universe, "I already have enough." And that statement alone opens the gates for more blessings to flow toward you. Most people approach manifestation with a feeling of lack, wanting money because they don't have it, wanting love because they feel lonely. But that very energy keeps them trapped in scarcity. The universe does not respond to your words. It responds to your energy, and gratitude is the highest energy of all. It shifts your focus from what's missing to what's already present, creating a magnetic pull for even greater experiences to come. The simple act of waking up and saying, "Thank you for another day," starts a ripple effect in your vibration. You become more aware, more peaceful, more aligned. Gratitude isn't just emotion. It's alignment with the truth that everything you desire already exists in the energetic field around you. When you feel appreciation, you match the frequency of your desires, and the universe mirrors that frequency back in the form of synchronicities, opportunities, and miracles. One of the simplest yet most powerful gratitude exercises is to write 3 things you are thankful for every morning and 3 more before bed. Don't just list them, feel them. Feel the smile that gratitude brings, the warmth in your heart, the peace in your breath. Thank the universe for your current blessings, the food you eat, the people who support you, the lessons that shaped you. Even the struggles deserve gratitude because they forged your strength, revealed your resilience, and guided you closer to your purpose. When you can be grateful for what challenges you, you transcend lack entirely, and that's when manifestation accelerates. Another potent method is future gratitude, feeling thankful for what hasn't yet arrived as if it already has. Say, "I'm so thankful for the abundance flowing into my life," or "I'm deeply grateful for the opportunities appearing every day." When you do this sincerely, your subconscious mind accepts it as reality, and your energy starts behaving as though your desires are already fulfilled. The universe must then adjust to match your vibration. That's how powerful gratitude truly is. If you look at successful people, you'll notice they radiate gratitude. They don't chase, they attract. They celebrate what they have, and therefore they multiply it. Gratitude turns fear into faith and resistance into flow. It grounds you in the present moment while still drawing in the future you desire. To amplify your gratitude practice, visualize your life surrounded by light. Imagine this light expanding each time you say, "Thank you." The more you thank, the brighter it glows, and that light becomes your aura of attraction. Gratitude also changes the chemistry of your brain. It releases dopamine and serotonin, the feel-good hormones that enhance creativity, confidence, and motivation, all of which support manifestation in the physical world. When you make gratitude a daily habit, even small things start feeling magical. A cool breeze, a stranger's smile, the sound of rain. You stop waiting for happiness to find you and realize it's already within you. And here lies the secret. Gratitude doesn't just attract abundance, it transforms you into abundance. You no longer seek validation or chase after things. Instead, you become a living magnet for all that is good. So each morning, before the world pulls your attention, take a deep breath and whisper, "Thank you." Thank the universe for another chance to create, for the lessons still unfolding, for the unseen blessings already on their way. Because every thank you sends a signal that says, "I am ready. I am open. I am aligned." And when you live with that vibration, humble, grateful, and trusting, the universe cannot help but respond. Gratitude isn't just a practice, it's a way of being, a portal to higher frequency, and the fastest path to manifesting your dream life.